This is my credit card. This is my 10,200 mAh portable battery, CPX. Press to switch on the power and pull out the integrated micro USB cable to charge your Android. If you're an Apple user, remove your Lightning adapter from the holder and convert the micro USB head to the Lightning connector to charge your iPhone or iPad. The low self-discharge and auto-hibernation allows CPX to reserve its juice for more than 3 months on standby. Whenever you need to recharge your CPX, just pull out the other side of the cable and plug into any USB source. CPX is made of PVD processed, ultra-durable stainless steel, the same grade of material used in the high-class wristwatch. This is CPX.
With today's busy, on-the-go lifestyles, our mobile devices are the essential link in navigating the world around us while staying in contact with all the important people in our lives. Having sufficient portable power is indispensable. So many of us are relying on portable juice packs to stay connected. But carrying the required wall charger, charging cords, and backup power banks in a bag or purse is taxing. Often cords are lost and many of us forget to recharge our power banks. Real Juice is the first portable charging product to include a fully retractable aerospace-grade cord reel, so you will never have to look for your cords again. We powered Real Juice with high-quality, brand-name lithium-ion batteries that pack enough juice to fully recharge your smartphone up to 6 times. And since none of us like carrying separate wall chargers for our juice packs, we've also integrated a 10-watt rapid charger with dual USB outputs and a folding wall plug that charges twice as fast as any standard charger. The slim modular design allows users to quickly separate the real and portable power section from the rapid charger, allowing for lighter travel during daily commutes or short trips. After you've plugged in for the night, our solution ensures that both the Real Juice battery pack and your device are charged and ready to go whenever you are. And whether you're an iOS or Android user, Real Juice has you covered. Real Juice will be available in either a 5,000 or 10,000 milliamp hour version, so you can choose the right amount of power for your on-the-go lifestyle. To engineer this breakthrough product, we partnered with PDT and Telephonics, makers of the cord reel technology found in over 90% of in-flight entertainment systems used on long-haul aircrafts. By leveraging more than 50 patents for these durable components, we're able to shrink the industrial-grade cord reel by over 60%, allowing it to fit into our slim, portable power solution. At LinkTech, we have a passion for developing gadgets that fundamentally improve how we experience technology in our everyday lives. With Real Juice, we believe we've delivered the ultimate portable power solution that completely eliminates on-the-go charging problems.
This is where you come in. In order to bring our product to the market, we need help covering the costs of tooling, raw materials, and production. And as a way of saying thank you, we're offering our backers up to $30 off the retail price. Your pledge would help bring this exciting product to life. Thank you for your support.
With proven cord reel technology that survives tens of thousands of cycles, a removable 10-watt rapid charging module, and enough backup juice to recharge a smartphone up to 6 times, Real Juice is the real thing.